Hello everyone. So here I would like to tell you about functional group priority order. So which is going to be first most preference in the functional group. Okay. So today we are saying as a simple trick to remember functional group priority order, which is going to be first priority. So first preferences. So it is based on IUPAC nomenclature or based on IUPAC community they are given. So which is first preference, that means carboxylic acid is means sulfonic acid is the first preference. Why? Because there is no specific reason for given name. Okay, so they are given some fixed functional group order, so that we have to follow. So this is the basic thing. First one is, so before that I am going to tell you what is the root word and prefixes and suffix, so where we use. So before that I am going to tell you, suffix means root word, then suffix is a final word. So which is how to use and where we why we calling as root and suffix words. So here first one is prefix. So first we have to know before that we are going to discuss functional group priority order. Now we have to know just these words. So root word. So root word is a basic word, base word. So root word is which is indicate that number of carbon atoms. That means number of chain. So chain we have to count first one, which is how many carbons are there. So which is going to be most. So how many substitution are added to the particular chain. So that is a root word. The root word means how many number of carbon atoms where it is present. So that is going to be first. So first we consider. Next one is prefixes. So is the beginning of the word. So beginning of the word. So first we use beginning of the words. Next suffix we use means end of the words we can use. So these are the basic thing in nomenclature. So now we are going to say about functional group priority order, which is going to be most preferences in functional group. So functional group it is indicating so what are the basic priority order which is going to be C. So now we see just one simple trick I want to show you today. So it is easy to do wherever you study and wherever you go. So here first one is oka system lo 7 carbon or 7 cameras out. So 2 మరియు 3 బంధాలు మాత్రమే మిగిలి ఉన్నాయి. So this is the trick today. So to remember functional group, so 1 to 12. So here oka system lo 7 కెమెరాస్ అవుట్. సో డబుల్ బాండ్ ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ మాత్రమే మిగిలి ఉన్నాయి. సో 2 బంధాలు 3 బంధాలు మాత్రమే మిగిలి ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ట్రిక్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఆర్ టు రైట్ సల్ఫోనిక్ యాసిడ్ టు ఫైనల్లీ iron group. So this is the trick today. So I am going to show you how to write. First priority is sulfonic acid. The formula is CO3H. So first I will write you with formula, then after with examples what is prefixes and suffixes and root word. So each one of them I will show you. So next one is sulfonic as the first preferences in the functional groups. Because why? So there is no specific reason for that. So they are given that we are followed. That's it. So here next one is second one is carboxylic acid, COOH. Okay, third one is, so here I am going to 7 cameras. So first one is system. One system contains 7 cameras out. So double bond and triple bond are there. So that's the trick to write functional group order. So first one is sulfonic acid. Second one is carboxylic acid in 7 carbons. 1 carbon is completed. And next one is ester. C double bond O or simple right in the general formula. So COR ester. So next halide or haloalkanes, okay, or oil halide. So next this is C double bond X. Next one is acidamide or amido or amino or amine. So this is fourth one is third priority is this, and fourth one is this one, and fifth one is cyanide, which has triple bond C. So alkyl cyanide or cyano or nitrile we can say. And sixth one is aldehyde, okay, aldo or aldehyde or ale or carbaldehyde we can say just one. And seventh one is So ketone, okay, keto or oxo one, we can say just one. Next eighth one is so thiol or head means knocks out or carbons are symbol. So 7 cameras are completed here. A system, sulfonic acid and carboxylic acid. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 cameras are out. So knock out O means here O means hydroxy functional group. Hydroxy means ol, we can say. So hydroxy functional group. Next 8th one, hydroxy and S means so here O remove and S1 means S means thiol, okay, S thiol, S and H, which is indicating that thiol. So this is 10th one. Thiol means so mercapto and thiols, we can say. Next double bond. So double bond is indicating that so enyl or ene. So enyl or ine. So which is final indication, means final priority order is a triple bond, then after single bond means double bond, and then after thiols hydroxy, next cyanide means ketone, aldehyde, and this is a reverse process. And first one is so first one priority order goes to sulfonic acid, carboxylic acid and ester, and here haloalkanes are oil halide and amide, aramido, cyano. Next aldehyde and ketone and hydroxy, thiol, and here double bond and triple bond. So this is going to be, this is alkane alkyne simply. So this is a remember so trick to remember for system containing 7 cameras out. So double bond or triple bond are there. So that is a trick to remember this functional group priority order. So which is going to be first, which is going to be least. So this is a very important thing to do. So in organic chemistry, when we see the nomenclature. So now we'll see each one of them examples and how to add in the prefix and suffix to the functional group priority order mostly. So first one is here sulfonic acid. So SO3 is sulfonic acid. From the sulfuric acid we can get sulfonic acid, SO3H, right? So here what is the prefix and suffix from them? So prefix, so add suffix. So how to write prefix and suffix? So it is a end of the word, it is the beginning of the word, okay? So indication that so free means first, suffix means is least or last, so end. So which is sulfonic acid? First one is so sulfonyl. Sulfonyl is a prefix, okay? Sulfonic means sulfonic acid is a suffix. Okay, this is the first one, first priority order in the functional group. So first one is completed. So next one is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, so prefix is carboxy group, so carboxy, and suffix is, so this is prefix and suffix for the carboxylic acid only. So we can say write in another way, so C double bond OH. So here like this. So this is one structure, one formula, molecular formula we can write in different ways, right? So this is remember to write to create yourself. So suffix here, so carboxy, then after OIC we can add OIC or OIC acid. So 1 OIC, 2 OIC based on their carbon chain, okay? So this is for carboxylic acid. Next one is ester, the C double bond O or ester formula, or we can write C double bond O R here. So like this. So this is the ester formula. So suffix for ester, suffix is O8, or for prefix we can add so alkoxy or carbyl. So carbyl. So this is a basic thing. So for ester group. And next one is halohalides or haloalkanes or alkyl halides. So suffix is oil halide. So suffix is oil halide. So these are very important thing to do to remember functional groups, which is going to be first priority order. Next, so here prefix is haloalkane, okay? Okay, haloalkane. So this is the for the acid halides or alkyl halides, so or oil halides for this. Next one is so cyanide, so acetamide, so or for acidamide. Next one is acidamide or amido alkylamide. So here we can add this R group, so only functional group can we say. So this is a amido group. Suffix is amide, suffix is amide or amine, so which is going to be which is both are correct. So suffix is amide and prefix is so amido or amino. Okay, amino or amido. So this is the basic things to know. Next one is cyanide, so triple bond, so which is sp hybridization. So these are very important question for the competitive. So they given the compounds which is going to be sp and sp3 and sp2. So this is sp hybridization. Okay, so next we see suffix and prefix. So suffix is nitrile. Okay, S means in the shortcut form suffix, and prefix is so cyano for the cyanide. Okay, alkyl cyanide we can say, we can in the place of here more R we can put this is alkyl cyanide. Okay, so cyanide or nitrile group, so we can say. So next one is aldehyde. So aldehyde suffix name is ale. Okay, prefix is so carbaldehyde or formyl. So many names are there, formyl or carbaldehyde. This is for carbaldehyde functional group. Okay, this is one of the functional group. Next one is keto functional group are like this. Okay, so ketone example is acetone. Okay, example is acetone. Next suffix for keto is -one, and prefix for keto is oxo or keto. So this is an easy name for the ketone group. So here, so after keto we can write hydroxy functional group. Okay, so functional group of hydroxy, OH or alcohols we can say. So basic example, so which is act as a nucleophile also. So next suffix for alcohol is -ol, and prefix for alcohol is hydroxy. Okay, hydroxy. So this is an important thing. And next one is after hydroxy, so thiols are come. So SH, alkyl thiols or thiols, just thiol. So this is one of the functional group. So this is 10th one. So here suffix for thiol is SH, suffix for SH is thiol. Okay, alkyl thiols are thiols. So prefix for SH is mercapto. So this is a word for SH. And finally here we have double bond and triple bond. Okay, this is alkyne. So which is the double bond for suffix is -ene. So carbon double bond, and prefix for double bond is -enyl. And here triple bond, here suffix is -ine, and here prefix for triple bond is -enyl. So these are the basic things to remember functional groups. So here today I am going to give you one trick to remember this, all those writing formulas and with examples. So these are the basic things to know. So here double bond is the least, the next one is double bond, thiols, then after hydroxy group, so and keto group and aldehyde group. Okay, seeing a cyanide group we are saying amide, amino, and alkyl halides or oil halides we can see. So ester, so carboxylase is second priority, and first one is sulfonic acid. So these are the basic things to remember, so easy to do. So right, so I hope all of you are understanding this method to write down the functional group priority order, which is going to be first. So preferences based on is a IUPAC community only. Okay, so we can't change this one, so we have to follow, you must follow this one. So then we can name, so we can give the name for so according to nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature. So International Union Pure Applied Chemistry they are given. Okay, so these are the 7 system contains 7 cameras out, so double bond and triple bond are there. So this is a basic trick to remember. So functional group priority order, which is we are discussing root word, so number of carbon chain, then suffix is at the end of the word and prefix the beginning of the word. So for that I am going to explain one example. So IUPAC name, so here one of the group is there. So one here how many carbons are there here? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So here 1 3. So here 1 position contain double bond, 2 position contain 1 double bond. So 3 contain. So 1 3. How many carbons are there? 4. 1 2 3 4. So 4 means bute. So how many bonds are there? Diene. 2 bonds are there. That's why I will write diene. So 1 3 butadiene. So this is a basic thing one. So here another one is another example is, so here we can write like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 is there. So hydroxy will be added to the end of the position suffix. So we can add we can name it for this 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is there, so it is going to be pent. Okay, so penta or pentanol, simply say pentanol, or here 1 2 3 1 hydroxy pentoic pentane or pentane or pentanol, simply pentanol. It is so first root word is a number of carbon chains we can see, then after suffix or prefixes we can see. So here for example, here in the place of this hydrogen, here third position, so 3 hydroxy pentane, simple we say 3 hydroxy pentane is a prefix and it is going to be end of the word is a suffix in the prefix. So these are basic things about a functional group priority order we can say today. So these are the basic things guys to remember functional group priority order, which is going to be most preferences. Okay, thank you for watching this video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.